I've been using the Audio-Technica ATH-M50X closed-back headphones for several years now, and I've absolutely loved them. These are lightweight and very comfortable to wear for long periods of time. They sound fantastic at loud and quiet volumes. There's minimal bleed, and they keep sound from escaping and leaking to your microphone during recording. And they have a very balanced frequency response ranging from 15 Hz to 28 kHz. The ATH-M50X headphones sound so full without any one frequency being overwhelming. I will say though that they slightly boost the bass due to the closed back nature of the headphones, but it's not overwhelming. Audio-Technica doesn't skimp on accessories. They include two straight cables, one longer than the other, and a coiled cable. I love the detachable locking connector that Audio-Technica uses because it's super sturdy, but it's also simple to remove. The headphones can be collapsed for storage or easier transport, and they come with a drawstring bag, though I've never used it. If you misplace a headphone cable or if your ear cups wear out, you can also buy replacement parts fairly easily. We have several of these headphones at my church, and it seems like volunteers are constantly dropping them or they're getting knocked off a counter or a soundboard, and despite many drops, they're still working great. There's a reason you see bands like Snarky Puppy all rocking these headphones. They sound great, are crystal clear, and super accurate. Whether you're a musician, podcaster, video editor, or if you just enjoy quality sound, these headphones are sure to impress you. Thanks for watching this video. If you found value in this content, please consider purchasing a pair of these headphones using the affiliate link found in the description below. And please subscribe to my channel as I have so much more tech to make videos about.